How to use ChatGPT to test analytics databases. As a language model, ChatGPT can provide information and guidance on various topics, including analytics databases. However, ChatGPT itself is not an analytics database testing tool, so it cannot directly test analytics databases. Nonetheless, here are some ways you could potentially use ChatGPT to aid in testing analytics databases. 1. Ask for recommendations. You can ask ChatGPT for recommendations on analytics database testing tools and best practices. For example, you could ask what are some popular tools for testing analytics databases, or what are some best practices for testing the performance of analytics databases. 2. Request information on analytics database concepts. ChatGPT can provide information on various concepts related to analytics databases, such as data modeling, data warehousing, and data analytics. By learning more about these concepts, you can better understand how analytics databases work and what types of tests you might need to perform. 3. Seek troubleshooting advice. If you encounter issues while testing an analytics database, you can ask ChatGPT for troubleshooting advice. For example, you could ask what could be causing slow query performance in an analytics database. Or how can I identify and resolve data integrity issues in an analytics database? 4. Generate test data. Although ChatGPT does not directly generate test data, it can provide guidance on how to generate realistic test data for analytics databases. You could ask what are some techniques for generating test data that closely resembles production data in an analytics database. Or how can I ensure that my test data covers a wide range of scenarios in an analytics database? Discuss your findings. After testing an analytics database, you can discuss your findings with ChatGPT to get feedback on your approach and recommendations for further testing. For example, you could ask what types of tests should I perform to ensure the reliability of my analytics database? Or what are some common pitfalls to avoid when testing analytics databases? Here are some reputable sources regarding analytics databases. Gartner. Gartner is a leading research and advisory company that provides insights on various technology topics, including analytics databases. Their Magic Quadrant reports provide an overview of the top vendors in the analytics database market, and their research papers offer in-depth analysis and best practices. Forrester. Forrester is another prominent research and advisory firm that covers analytics databases. Their reports and white papers offer insights into market trends, vendor evaluations, and best practices. TechTarget. TechTarget is a technology media company that produces articles, webinars, and videos on various technology topics, including analytics databases. Their content is written by industry experts and provides practical insights into implementation, management, and optimization of analytics databases. DZone. DZone is a developer-focused community that produces articles, tutorials, and cheat sheets on various technology topics, including analytics databases. Their content is written by industry practitioners and provides practical insights into implementing and optimizing analytics databases. Microsoft Azure Documentation. Microsoft Azure is a popular cloud platform that offers various analytics database services, such as Azure SQL Data Warehouse, Azure Synapse Analytics, and Azure Analysis Services. Microsoft's documentation provides detailed information on how to use these services, best practices, and troubleshooting tips. Amazon Web Services, AWS, Documentation. AWS is another leading cloud platform that offers various analytics database services, such as Amazon Redshift, Amazon Athena, and Amazon EMR. AWS Documentation provides detailed information on how to use these services, best practices, and troubleshooting tips. MongoDB Blog. MongoDB is a popular NoSQL database used for analytics. Their blog provides insights into using MongoDB for analytics, including data modeling, querying, and optimization. Oracle Analytics Blog. Oracle offers various analytics database services, such as Oracle Autonomous Data Warehouse and Oracle Analytics Cloud. Their blog provides insights into using these services, best practices, and case studies. IBM Analytics Blog. IBM offers various analytics database services, such as DB2 Warehouse and Cloud Pak for Data. Their blog provides insights into using these services, best practices, and case studies. Data Engineering Podcast. The Data Engineering Podcast is a podcast that covers various topics related to data engineering, including analytics databases. Their episodes feature interviews with industry experts and provide practical insights into implementing and optimizing analytics databases.